Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign multiple tasks to people in Asana. So let's get started. Open Asana platform and navigate to the project or task list where you want to assign multiple tasks. Click on the task you want to assign. This will open the task details. In the task details, find the assign field. It's usually located at the top or in the right-hand sidebar. Click on the assign field and then select assign to multiple people. Then start typing the name or email address. Then start adding people or team you want to assign the task to. Then the task will be assigned to the chosen person. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.